First word?
Oh my gosh. Corbin, please.
Second word.
Okay, the third syllable of the pox word. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh god.
E.
Oh, that's cheating! That is cheating. That is sign language.
Epoxy. Epoxy. It's some sort of epoxy.
I think they got like a good 4 minutes added on to this by now.
3. Third word. Sounds like
More lemonade, okay.
dead.
Zombie.
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 I get you some more.
3M.
This is good stuff.
Sounds like zombie.
Think of other words that go along with zombie.
Resurrect.
Mummy.
Rise. Risen. Sounds like risen. Sounds like risen.
Resin.
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 Epoxy resin.
Epoxy resin. Something
So the
else.
first one is.
What was the
First
first
word is.
Resin epoxy.
First word.
3M.
Stop using sign language!
Resin. 3M epoxy resin.
Yeah, there you go.
3M epoxy resin.